What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make apps go full screen on both the Galaxy Note 20 5G and Note 20 Ultra. Okay, so this is a common problem if you've ever tried loading up a game or any specific app and you notice that it cuts off, on one part of the screen. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the Ignition Poker app. Now, this is an amazing place to play poker games straight from your phone. I myself have been a member now for the last 3+ years, and I play here on a daily and weekly basis. So I'll have some sign-up links in both the description and comments if you want to check them out. I'm going to show you an example of this happening with GTA Vice City, but like I said, this could happen for, any game you're trying to play or any app that you're trying to load up. All right, so you can see on the left side of the screen that it's a little bit cut off, so you're not getting that full screen experience. Now, in order to fix this problem, you're going to need to go into your settings, and there's going to be an option in display. But let me just load this up so I can show you, even more about what I'm talking about here, so you can just see it. All right, so you see the cutoff right there. It's a little bit more clear now that we have the game loaded up. All right, so I'm going to exit out of that, but what you want to do is go into your settings, like I said, and then you want to click on display. And then from in here, you're going to see the app option right there, and you want to click on full screen apps. Scroll down to any game or app you're trying to get to, actually work correctly, get that full screen experience, and then you just want to check mark it. All right, so I'm going to load up GTA Vice City again right here so you can see it. All right, you can already see we got that full screen experience going on right there. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to play a little bit of this GTA Vice City on the Note 20 5G. If you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more phone videos, and let's get into some of the gameplay.
You think this is a joke? Come here!
Central 5 point. This was the 10, 51.